In this video, I'll show you how to file Uber taxes on TurboTax. Once you are on your TurboTax account, the first step is to head over to the navigation panel on the left-hand side. And below 2025 taxes, you want to choose the second option, which is federal. Now, below federal, you want to choose the first option, which is income. And that will take you to the income and expenses section. From here, you want to scroll down. And on the search bar, you want to search for 1099-K. That will take you to the first option, which is self-employment. You can also do other common income. It will also take you to the form 1099-K. If you choose the self-employment, then you can add your self-employment income and expenses. Now, let's say we want to do our self-employment income and expenses. So on the right-hand side, click on Start. Now, once you click on Start, you want to scroll down. And at the bottom, choose Add another line of work. From here, we want to go to this tab and just simply type Uber. Let's say we are an Uber driver. At the bottom, it will ask you who works or owns this business. Let's say you or your spouse. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now in here, it will ask you to confirm your Uber driver work. Let's say this is a rideshare driving. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now it will ask you to classify this work, either a main source, a side job, or the business that you own and operate. Let's say this is our side job for extra money. And at the bottom, click on Continue. Now it will ask you how long you have worked in this rideshare driving. Let's say I started in 2025. If none of these options apply, at the bottom, just do the third option and then click on Continue again. Now, once you do that, at the bottom, it will automatically show you your rideshare driving info. So from here, our work description is an Uber driver. If you have something in which you want to change, at the bottom, you can just simply click on Edit. But once you're done, simply scroll down and at the bottom, click on Looks Good. Now it will ask you if you got paid through Square, you can import in transactions. At the bottom, you can skip this, but if you do use Square, then just simply click on Import My Info. In here, it will ask you what companies did you rideshare drive with. Let's say Uber, since this is the first option. At the bottom, click on Continue. Now, what you can do from here is to save time by importing your tax info from Uber. And if you do want to choose this at the bottom, you can choose OK, sounds good. And that will take you to the section wherein you have to add your Uber forms up onto TurboTax automatically. But if you want to type it in yourself, at the bottom, choose the first option. And from here, it will ask you for your common income. You can choose a 1099 NEC, 1099K, or other self-employed income. On the less common income, you can choose the form 1099 MISC or the uncommon income. At the bottom, click on Continue, or you can skip this for now. Now it is time to add your expenses. So at the bottom, click on Continue. Now that will take you to this section wherein you can upload a spreadsheet of your expenses. You can connect to a bank or enter manually. I do want to enter manually at the bottom. Click on Continue. Now in here, you need to add your expenses. Let's say vehicle. And if we scroll down, you can choose to add more expense categories if none of these apply to your Uber. Now in here, what you can do is add your expenses as well as your income. So for here, on the right-hand side, if we chose vehicle, it will ask you for the make and model of the car, the type of the vehicle, as well as the start of the year wherein we rode this vehicle for work. You can also say that you have stopped using this. And once you're done, at the bottom, click on Continue. It will double check if everything is right so far, so I will run my free check. And if we scroll down, as you can see, we automatically have our Uber and it is labeled as rideshare driving. If you do have your total net income, it will automatically calculate your taxes within Uber. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.